In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Semrush effectively with 5 quick SEO tips to rank higher. Whether you are new to Semrush or just looking to refresh your skills, this guide is perfect for enhancing your understanding and maximizing your results. To begin, let's navigate to Semrush, a powerful tool packed with data-driven marketing insights designed to help your business grow. Head over to their main website. Once you're there, the first step is to get logged in. You'll find the Login button at the upper right corner of the page. If you already have an account, go ahead and enter your credentials to access the rich suite of tools and reports. And if you're not yet a member, be sure to sign up to unlock these features. Now that you're logged in, you'll want to head straight to the Semrush home. This will give you a comprehensive overview of the projects and tools available. Consider this your dashboard, from where you can launch into various insights about your website's performance. Next, delve deeper by selecting an SEO project that you wish to work on. Clicking on the project not only takes you directly to the specific insights related to that project, but also provides you with a clear view of your reporting and analytics, helping you to tailor actions to improve your site's performance. Once within a project, your first port of call should be the SEO dashboard. This area gives you a holistic view of your website metrics. It ties together the key figures and analytics which tell you how your site is doing in search rankings. From here, you can monitor changes and make informed decisions about optimizing your content and page structure. Following this, it's time to focus on your backlink profile, an essential element of SEO that can significantly influence your rankings. Click on the Backlink Audit tool. This allows you to assess and improve the quality of links back to your website. Evaluating your backlinks helps you understand which ones may be harmful to your ranking and which ones are boosting your SEO efforts. Taking corrective actions here, by eliminating bad links or disavowing them through Google's tools, will positively impact your site's standing. While exploring these features, be attentive to the details and analytics presented. Semrush is a well-rounded tool that offers valuable insights. Regularly reviewing these areas can guide you towards maintaining or even improving your ranking steadily over time. Remember, SEO is an ongoing process of learning and adapting. Stay engaged with the data Semrush provides. Keep developing your strategy based on this information, and you'll find yourself climbing up those search rankings in no time. Thank you for joining me today, and happy optimizing!